what is up guys? It's me Rhoda and welcome to FernandezSiblingsVlog. So for today's video ay gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong video at ang video na gagawin natin ay how to turn on the comment section on YouTube. So simulan na natin. First, pindutin nyo ang YouTube app nyo. Pagka-open, i-click nyo yung picture ng channel nyo. And then, your channel. Then, i-click nyo yung video nyo. So, mahina yung signal ko, guys. So, yan. Makikita nyo, ang sabi ni YouTube ay comments are turned off. So, i-back na natin. And then, pumunta naman tayo sa YT Studio. So, i-install nyo to guys kasi kailanganin nyo rin to sa paglalagay ng thumbnail. Napakadaling mag-edit ng thumbnail dito. So, i-click nyo yung video kung saan nyo ito turn on yung comment section. So, video. Nakikita nyo yung pencil sa upper right corner. I-click nyo yun. Pagkatapos nun, yung advanced settings. Pagkatapos, click nyo yung allow comments. I-on nyo yun and then save. So, ulitin nyo lang yun guys. So, again, another video tayo. So, pencil, sa upper right corner, advanced settings, allow comments, and then save. Another video ulit. Pencil, advanced settings, allow comments, and then save. So, ibalik na natin kay YouTube. As you can see, comments are turned off pa rin. So, i-X nyo lang yan guys. And then, saka nyo i-refresh. So, pindutin nyo ulit yung video na yon. And then, makikita nyo na dyan na add a public comment. So, pwede na mag-comment. So, that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you're new to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and more videos. And don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Bye-bye you, bruh.